Okay, in this one, this is going to be a bit technical. We want to record a conversion when somebody submits a form that doesn't go to a thank you page. Usually those are known as Ajax forms, where you submit it, shows a message saying something like, thank you very much, we'll get in contact soon. That's what we're trying to do in this video. This is not easy. So let's go ahead, let's create a new conversion. It's the same process. I don't want to keep having to do it each time, so there's this one here. I created one. Click form conversion. Okay, let's just get the code. We've already done all this stuff, so that's not what we need to worry about. What we need to worry about is this click part. So we copy this. The idea is you want to take this code, put it on the page where the conversion will happen. In my case, the conversion will happen. Let's put that code here, first of all. Now we want to tell it where this conversion will happen. We'll say fake form Ajax submit. Okay. It doesn't happen site-wide. It happens on a specific page called the test page. We want to put this code in the header. Then we want to just, so we have it, right? Let's just save it now. Now the problem with this is that it won't record the conversion because it doesn't know when to record the conversion. So we have to tell it when the conversion happens. And in my case, it'll happen when the form is submitted. So then we have to listen for an event, a form submission event. And this is complicated in my scenario by the fact that I'm using a plugin to create forms. This is contact form 7, and I can't just simply change this shortcode here. So I'm going to have to listen for that event using this code here. So let me update my snippets codes. We will edit it at the bottom. I'm just going to enter, and we will save it. So when that form, in my situation, when this event happens, basically, the function is to call this here, and we're just passing it the URL of the current page. You could do this a lot more fancy with JavaScript. I'm just passing it in as a string. For demonstration purposes, this will illustrate everything. Okay, so let's save that. We'll close this. Now we're going to just refresh this page. Shouldn't be anything different. Now I'm going to click record. Now I'm going to reload the page. So we have Google Tag Assistant recording our actions. So I'm going to say, and we select this. Now we're going to click send, the moment of truth. Okay, now you saw what happened there. We saw something flash and then it just went away and we still don't see anything happening. Well, that's why we recorded it. Hit stop recording, show full report, and let's look at, you can see here we had a Google Ads conversion tracking event that happened right here. So it did fire, it did work, but why did it reload? Why did it reload the page? Well, I'll show you why. That's what that callback function is here. See how it says event callback? That's what that is. So let's try and change that real quick just to give you an idea of what that does. You can add 2 forward slashes, hit update. Now let's do the same thing. We're going to reload this page. Okay, it did not reload, it did not go anywhere. That is what Ajax forms are. Now the question is, did it record a conversion? Yes, it did. So that's how you track conversions for form submissions with gtag and Google Ads conversions.